We're just crossing the river here on that little ferry. It's called the Thompson River. We made it to Wells Gray Provincial Park. So we just finished building up the tent and now we go to the Helmicken Falls. It's only 5 kilometers, so let's see you there.
I think the falls are named after Sebastian Helmicken because he got BC into the Canadian Confederation.
Yeah, we're back here at Helmicken Falls. We're doing some nighttime photography. It's gonna be epic. Stars are out, so it's pretty interesting. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it is 6:50 in the morning. It is pretty cold outside and it was a pretty rough night because like it was really cold, but now I'm back going to the waterfalls, Helmicken Falls. Let's see how the sunset is. And you know, here's this viewing platform and you go in early in the morning in September, nobody's here. That's so cool. So apparently you can go behind this waterfall there. See you there. Welcome to Alberta. Yeah, we're just building up the tent here in the middle of the night. We're in Jasper. It's not as cold as I thought it would be, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. 7 o'clock in the morning. That night was pretty cold. Pretty cold. I don't know whose idea it was to go camping in the Rocky Mountains in late September. Look how beautiful that is in the early morning. So nice with the river and the mountains. A little bit fresh snow on the top, so nice. So we made it to Malign Lake. It's a pretty nice view here with the mountains in the background. So we just left Jasper National Parks and was here, middle of the nowhere, Folding Mountain Brewing. Let's check it out. How was it?
Pretty good. For being up here in Alberta.
So we're on our way up to Fort St. John. It's pretty wild here. No cars, no people, which is good. The road is pretty fucked up, but we're gonna see some wildlife hopefully. Let's see. Welcome to British Columbia.
The best place on earth, it says.
We are in a town called Prince George, middle of nowhere, north of BC. We're hitting up a place called Crossroads Brewing. Let's go inside.
We're going to Quesnel.
So we're just pulling into Pemberton Brewing. We're heading now to Coast Mountain Brewing in Whistler. Yeah, and then we our last stop in Squamish to Back Country Brewing. Just eat a delicious pizza, and now we're heading home to Vancouver. It was a nice trip. See you soon.